Hi, it's Kerry. My Jurassic World Attack Pack dinos have finally arrived. Tell me your favourite Jurassic World dinosaur. And here's Blue. She looks really good, the iconic blue stripe there. The toe claws have a polished look and there's a sickle claw, an articulated jaw and a really nice bright yellow well-painted eye. Notice the arms move and the legs, and the tail's a little bit rubbery as well. The arms and claws are quite bendable. It's a really nice pose too. I'm quite happy with the paint job on this one. Her trainer is Owen Grady. She's head of the Velociraptors. In the movie, she is able to communicate with her pack using an array of different calls. And there's the Fallen Kingdom stamp and the QR code, which you can use with an app on your phone. And another quick look at those shiny toe claws. Her length is approximately 7 inches or 18 centimeters. And she's 3.5 inches tall or 9 centimeters. The Green Velociraptor. I think this is a great pose. An articulated mouth, slightly darker green paint on the back there. The Fallen Kingdom stamp and the QR code there, and those lovely shiny toe claws. So these legs will move, but it's just a really nice pose it's in. The arms are quite flexible and you can see I can bend that around. You can see lots of muscles and ribs there. A flexible tail. I think the paint job on the eye is really good too. At the end of the video, the volcano finally erupts. Dimorphodon, this has to be my favourite. It has a really nice wingspan, and you can close and open and twist those wings. The wingspan is around 8 inches or 20 centimeters. The tail is quite flexible and those back legs can move up and down. And let's have a look at the jaw. Yes, that opens and shuts. And also the head will go up and down. How good is that? It's a little bit darker grey on its back as well there. A really nice model. It's about 5 inches long or 13 centimeters and 3 inches 8 centimeters high. It also has the Fallen Kingdom stamp and the QR code is under the wing. I'm really glad they're featuring Gallimimus. It's a genus of theropod dinosaur that lived in modern-day Mongolia during the late Cretaceous period. Again, there's some good detail in the sculpt, movable arms and legs, and have a look at this neck. It looks like it's feeding, doesn't it? Or you can put it up partway, or maybe all the way if it's reaching upwards. This model is about 6 inches or 15 centimeters long and 3.5 inches or 9 centimeters tall, the shoulders. As an ornithomimid, Gallimimus would have been a very fast animal, using its speed to escape predators. Dilophosaurus, quite a well-painted model there. The little hole in the mouth is where his venom spit goes in. There's some bands on the tail there, and if you look closely you can see ribs there on the body and muscles, quite good detail, and of course the Fallen Kingdom stamp and the QR code. The arms are flexible like the other ones and the frill is hinged. There's 2 little screws up the top there and it looks quite good. Nice and bright. And there's the venom spit. It is 5 inches or 13 centimeters long and 4 inches or just over 9 centimeters tall. We seem to have a problem at the volcano. Dilophosaurus is going to practice his venom spits at the end. Thank you for watching my video. It really helps helps if you can share my videos on any of the social media sites that you like to visit. See you again soon.